What's up, man? I'm Andres, and today we're talking about why you should care about what you wear. That's right, dress for success. Man, this is Be a Man TV, where I give you the power not only to become a competent man, but a confident man. Now, this next clip coming up, I want you to watch it all the way through because I'm going to drive this point home. And we're starting right now. Oh, hey, I'm Andres Perez, and I'm an image consultant. I want to sell you my service so you can get the girl you want and the job of your dreams. Notice, you just judged me. Yes, you did. Your brain wanted to know, am I somebody who knows what he's talking about? Am I somebody you can trust? Am I somebody that you're willing to spend time out of your day to listen to? Am I somebody that you want to do business with? Well, guess what? My uncombed hair, my untamed beard, and my workout clothes led you to believe no. First impressions matter. Dress for success. You should absolutely care about what you wear. Now I know, you shouldn't judge a book by its cover. But most people do it anyways. Hey, you might even be the kind of person who knows that your first impression is not always right. But most people don't think this way. Most people are going to make a decision based on their first impression, and they're going to stick to it. Doesn't matter what you say after that point, they've already made up their mind. But hey, you know what? If you're a person who cares more about comfort than about what other people think of you, perfectly fine. It's only your time that you're wasting. But you don't care about that, right? Now hold on. I want to make sure that we clear something up first. When I say dress for success, I don't necessarily mean wear a suit. You gotta know your audience, alright? So let's say you're going out with a girl and you're playing disc golf. If you show up looking like this, you're gonna look ridiculous, right? That's not what the expectation is from her. She wants you to be in workout clothes, something comfortable that could move around. Even though you're wearing workout clothes, you still want to impress. So don't wear your oversized stuff with the hose and the stains. No. You want to wear the stuff that fits you best. You want to wear the newer clothing that you already got. Make sure that your message is congruent. Workout clothes is perfectly fine if you're going to work out, but the way you present yourself is part of your message. Now, if you understand what I'm saying, and you agree with me, type hashtag care about what you wear in the comments below. One other thing I want to get into is, last video I talked about giving you a free critique on your outfit. Free advice, basically. I decided we're going to go ahead, we're going to go forward, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, so I need you to listen closely. What I want is 3 pictures, 3 different angles of the same outfit. If you give me 3 different outfits, disqualified. In the email, I want you to write, for what or where do you plan on wearing this outfit? So you don't necessarily have to do pictures of a dressy outfit. It could be a casual outfit. Perfectly fine. The other thing I want to mention is, although I've been studying fashion for a number of years now, I specialize in men's fashion. Alright, so we got 3 pictures, we got the reason, alright. So the email address is outfitadvice@gmail.com. Send it there. What I'm going to do is, as long as you did send me those 3, and you sent me, what you plan to wear it for, I'm going to email you a few days before to let you know that your outfit's coming up in the next video. And for the last thing, I just want to know what you think about the background, and I want you to share this video out because I want you to send me those emails, alright? Earn your man card by subscribing to Be a Man TV. And until next time, stay manly, my friend.